If you want to find your files faster, here's how you can search smarter in Google Drive. First of all, open the Google Drive app on your device or go to drive.google.com in your browser. At the top, tap in the search bar. Here, you can type keywords related to your file, like the title, content, or even the name of the person who shared it. For better results, use the filters. Tap on the filter icon and choose by file type, honor, date modified, or location. This helps you narrow down the search quickly. You can also search using advanced search operators like typing type PDF for PDF files or before certain date to find files created before a certain date. And that's all. With these tips, you will be able to quickly locate any file in your Google Drive without scrolling endlessly. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.